how to verify identity on Revolut. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can verify identity on Revolut. So let's get started. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Log into your account, then tap the profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. From there, select Verification and Limits to begin the identity verification process. Now, you need to upload a valid form of ID. Revolut accepts passports, driver's licenses, or national ID cards. Make sure the photo is clear and that all the details are easy to read. If both sides are required, take photos of the front and back. Next, Revolut will ask you to complete a live selfie check to confirm your identity. Just position your face within the frame and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to blink, nod, or turn your head. Once submitted, Revolut will review your documents. This usually takes just a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take up to 24 hours. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.